So I'm going to explain to you again the refrigerant system cycle, okay? So for air condition, this is the compressor. The compressor compresses the freon. Freon come out here and so this line over here is the discharge line. This is smaller than this suction line. This is suction line and this is the discharge line. When the compressor compresses the freon, it increased the temperatures of the freon and it increased also the temperature. The temperature is 180 and the pressure 180 degrees Fahrenheit, and then the pressure is 475 psig, and it's turned to vapor. Remember this, the freon coming in from discharge line and going out, it need to be vapor. You understand me? So now the freon come out here and follow this line all the way, and it's gonna goes to reversing valve. The reversing valve is switch. If you're gonna choose the AC or heating, it will switch to the left or switch to the right. So now let's choose AC. But right here, and then this one's gonna move this way so that the freon gonna come out to this side. So now the freon gonna goes to what we call condenser. Vapor all the way to the middle. And then from the middle all the way down and turn to liquid. You understand? Let me repeat. The freon coming out from right here is vapor all the way. And then from right here, vapor. From the middle going down, it turn to liquid. And the freon gonna go out here. And then gonna go all the way to right here. Okay. This is a liquid receiver. Okay. And then it's gonna go all the way to this filter dryer so that it filtered the freon. You still have liquid in here. As you can see, the line is small, meaning that is the high pressure, high temperature liquid. You will see here on the sight glass, and you will see the moisture indicator, but they call it sight glass. And from right here, it's gonna go all the way to this metering device. On the metering device, right here, remember, all of these are liquid. The pressure is 475 psig. The temperature is from 180, is gonna go down to 110. You have 110 degrees Fahrenheit with the pressure of 475. Okay, and then from right here, it drops the temperature and the pressure. The temperatures drop to 40. From 110, it's going down to 40. The pressure, it changed from 475, from right here, it changed to 118. And now, the freon is mixture. All right? Mix of liquid, okay, and vapor. So mixture. Now from right here, the freon gonna go in here, mixture, and then from the bottom part of the evaporator, this is evaporator, from right here is mixture, and then from the top, or from the middle to the top, is gonna come out to vapor. So now you have vapor already in here. Remember, you have 40 degrees in here. This is cold. And then the blower gonna run fast to this evaporator, and you have a cold air. Now, it come out vapor, and I'm gonna go back to what we call the reversing valve, and it's gonna go to the middle. So right here, before the freon goes in here, the valve gonna go to the right, and then it give a chance to access the freon from this side over here, gonna go to the middle, and I'm gonna go straight back to accumulator. Okay, accumulator is the one who separates the moistures in the oil to the freon. And then this one's gonna go back all the way to the big line. That is what we call the suction line. And then the pressure is changing here. The pressure is 118. And then the temperature is 55 degrees Fahrenheit. And it's gonna go inside. You understand? Do you understand, guys? Now, that's how it works. And then you do the cycle. That is for AC. And select the thermostat to heat, and it's gonna go to the other way. Alright? So it's the same procedure, the same, but this one's right here, the evaporator, instead of gonna get cold, it's gonna get too hot. You understand? When this one is hot, you have hot air. Right? But remember, this is only the freon. Heat pump can produce heat and cold using the freon. You understand? And then you can combine also, there is a unit that you could use, the electric heat pump. Electric heat pump has a coil, and that coil is what we use for emergency heat. That one's gonna run first. And then when the compressor compress the freon and you have enough temperature already, you're gonna turn off and shut down the coil, and then the freon gonna continuously producing heat. So is that clear? All right.